Park, Pingyuan Demonstration Zone, Xinjiang City, Henan Province. Kinda was established in 2007. Since its establishment, Kinda has always accurately positioned related consumables. Now the main products are cutting router, engraving machines, UV printer, inkjet print marking machine. The core team of Kinda has nearly 20 years of experience in research and development and production of advertising products. From 2007 till now, it has always adhered to the tenet of quality first, user first, reputation first, to serve customers, and is committed to mature technology, stable quality, reasonable price, and high-quality service create more value for customers. The company has a strong technical R&D and after-sales service team, which provides long-term and stable marketing and technical services for all Kinda's partners. At present, Kinda's customers have spread to more than 100 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, America, and Europe. To create wealth for customers and value for society, Kinda will continue to make unremitting efforts in the advertising equipment industry and pursue endless pursuit.
Kinda. Welcome to Kinda. Welcome to Kinda.